Hi guys, welcome back. Right, it's been ages since I've done a video. I've had personal stuff going on, so it's probably been 2 weeks maybe. But I thought I'd have a go at one today. This lot was sent to me by my good buddy Pickbeard. I have working keys, and the make is Sabinio. I think that says Sabinio. It's a working lock, and I'm dedicating this pick to an online gaming buddy of mine who's got a really cool name. His name is Zelix Toro Gonzalez. I'd just like to say to him, keep up the study, mate. Make your family proud. And I'll see you online. Now, I don't know how long this is going to take because I'm well out of practice. Like I say, I haven't picked for a few weeks. I've got a Madbox pry bar, like my fag, and I'm going to be using a Peterson pick. We'll see how it goes. Now, normally when I was picking every day, I've had a bit of a break, so normally I would probably pick this in about 20 seconds. It may well take me longer than that today because, like I say, I'm out of practice, but we'll have a go anyway and see what happens. So it feels like pin 3. Click out of him. Pin 1. Bit of a click. One again. 4, 5. I've noticed when I pick this as well, if you let go of the tensioning bar, the thing springs back closed. So you've got to be really on the ball when it's picked, otherwise it shuts itself again. Come on. Taking much longer than I'd want this one. Like I say, I'm so out of practice. I know I'll get it open, just how long is it going to take? I'll be happy with under 5 minutes. That's with all the chatting as well. What are we on? 3.5 minutes. Oh, there we go, got it. He's open. Zelix, that one's for you. Thank you, Pickbeard, for sending me this lock, my good pal. It was a 5-pin Sabinio. Sounds Italian, but I have no idea where it comes from. And like I say, open, and where's the keys gone? Oh, I don't know what I've done with the keys now. Here's the keys, the bit in. And as you can see, working again. Alright guys, see you later. Thanks for watching. Keep it real. Bye now.